Hi everyone, I'm Victoria from Me and My Blush, and today I want to talk to you about my experience with the Online Makeup Academy and the Master Makeup Artist program. First things first, with this course you will get a full kit of professional makeup products. Click here so you can watch the full kit review. Why did I choose the Online Makeup Academy? The first thing that I loved about the Online Makeup Academy was the fact that when I was searching all over the web for a certificate professional makeup artist course, I was full of doubts. I was wondering how it's going to be, how does it work, how much does it cost, what do I need to buy, how is the the tutor thing, and how are they going to check on my assignments. And I was full of doubts, and I found really helpful the way that the Online Makeup Academy assisted me and answered all my questions. It was awesome. So I felt like they were the one, because they were really serious, and they had all these options, and if you go to the website you can see that you get to choose even specific makeup courses like special effects or bridal or maybe even hairstyle. And that was the main thing that got me into the Online Makeup Academy. Another important thing about the Online Makeup Academy is the fact that they think about everything. So you get a full kit of professional makeup products, as I said before, with everything that you might need to start practicing and working as a makeup artist. Let's talk about the assignments. A lot of people will say that, or will think that it's easier to send a picture with a makeup and get a great feedback. It doesn't really work like that, because you cannot retouch your pictures. You cannot use artificial lights. You have to use natural light, and you have to send the picture as it is. And believe me, in picture you get to see everything, every single detail. So you will learn that you have to do a really great job. Now I'm going to talk about the content of the Master Makeup Artist program. I cannot be more satisfied with this course. It's really complete, it's precise, high quality videos, professional videos, and everything that you might need to start working as a professional makeup artist. You will learn the proper way of using your tools, the proper way of working in a hygienic way, the proper way of creating a portfolio, taking a picture, everything. You will even get some examples of how to write a contract, how to get pro cards for makeup artists and get those discounts that you are dreaming about. You will get everything. Let's talk about the makeup artist that will follow your work and your progress all along the program. Mine was Alina, and I am really grateful because she always responded with a video and explained everything to me and gave me her feedback, her honest feedback when everything was great, when I needed to improve something in my makeup skills. This is a great way to learn and to improve your skills as a makeup artist. And the last thing that I'm going to share with you is that you will get lifetime access to your course, and you will get a lot of masterclasses, free masterclasses with the makeup artist of the Online Makeup Academy. So this way you won't miss a trend, and you will learn every day and grow every day as a professional makeup artist. If you want to enroll, you can use my discount code, and you just have to click the link below.